Hello, Guy. A very good day to you all. This is your digital marketing trainer who is having 15 years of experience in digital marketing and branding. Let's start Chapter 2 in SEO training series, that is SEO Impact on Business. Before going to the Chapter 2, let's memorize the importance of SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for online success. It enhances a website's visibility in search engine results, driving more organic traffic. SEO improves user experience, builds credibility, and is a cost-effective marketing strategy. It ensures targeted traffic, adaptability to algorithm changes, and provides a competitive advantage. Mobile optimization, local search optimization, and analytics insights are integral components of effective SEO. Overall, SEO is essential for increased online visibility, user trust, and business growth. Increased visibility through SEO offers specific benefits that contribute to the success of a website or online business. Here are few. More website traffic, brand recognition, higher conversion rates, improved credibility and trust, competitive advantage, global reach, cost-effective marketing, long-term results, insights for improvement and adaptability to industry changes. Let me explain you guys with little more info for your clarity. Higher visibility means more people are likely to discover and visit your website. This increased traffic can result in a broader audience and more opportunities for engagement. Being prominently displayed in search results establishes brand visibility. Users are more likely to remember and trust a brand they frequently encounter during their online searches. When your website appears in relevant search results, the traffic it attracts is more likely to convert into customers. Targeted visibility ensures that those who visit your site are interested in what you offer. Websites ranking higher in search results are often perceived as more credible and trustworthy. Users tend to associate top positions with authority and quality, contributing to positive perceptions of your brand. Visibility is a key factor in staying ahead of competitors. If your website consistently ranks higher, you're more likely to capture the attention of potential customers before they consider alternatives. SEO can help businesses reach a global audience. By optimizing for relevant keywords and implementing international SEO strategies, your website can attract visitors from different regions and markets. Compared to traditional advertising, organic traffic generated through SEO is cost-effective. Once your website is well optimized, it continues to attract visitors without the ongoing expenses associated with paid advertising. While other marketing strategies may deliver short-term results, the impact of SEO is enduring. A well-executed SEO strategy can provide sustainable visibility and traffic over the long term. SEO tools and analytics provide valuable insights into user behavior, preferences, and the performance of your online content. This data allows you to make informed decisions and continually refine your strategy for better results. SEO tools and analytics provide valuable insights into user behavior, preferences, and the performance of your online content. This data allows you to make informed decisions and continually refine your strategy for better results. Now we successfully completed Chapter 2, that is SEO Impact on Business. In the upcoming video, we are going to discuss and learn about Chapter 3, that is How Search Engines Works. Thank you for watching our SEO training series in our digital marketing and branding YouTube channel. You can reach us for one-to-one online SEO training by digital marketing and branding expert who is having 15 years of experience.